Hello everyone, welcome to part 51 of Dating Social Network website in Laravel 5.7 and 5.8. Okay, and in this video, we are going to start from the beginning. I'm going to run XAMPP first and we'll start the project. And we are going to work on send message once again in this video. We need to update few things in send message as well. Okay, so let's start working on the project. And first of all, I will make sure that XAMPP is running, and if it is not running, then I am going to make it start. Okay, so I will check the XAMPP is running, that is fine, and I will go to the project. Okay, so I will check here, and I'm going to see that if the project is means I'm going to run the project, and I'm going to this one dating 5.8 is the project name, and I'm going to run this project by git bash here, and I'm going to run that command php artisan serve command. I'm going to run php artisan serve. Okay, and after this php artisan serve, and I'm going to open the project in Sublime. Okay, so here I'm going to add the folder here. Okay, so I'm going to add this folder here as well. Okay, so now I will open Chrome as well. Okay, so now the project is running. Okay, I'm going to open this project in Chrome. Okay, so I'm going to run this project in Chrome. Okay, so now it is running fine, and I'm going to log in with one of the user, and now I have login as well, and we are going to see send message this time. Okay, you have seen that the message that we are doing, and but here you can see that in this message there we are displaying the full message, but no, we are not going to do like this. We are going to do in the same way like we are doing in responses. We are doing the some part of the message here, and after that we will display the full message in details icon. We are going to create detail icon in send message as well. Okay, so so this thing we are going to do, and one more thing we are going to do, that we are going to show here that this message has been seen by a receiver, that the message has been seen by the receiver or not, and we are going to do that highlight kind of thing, and we are also going to show in modal pop-up that the message has been seen by the user or not. Okay, so these few things we are going to do in this video, so let's start working on this one. So I'm going to open this page send message blade file. Okay, so I'm going to open this send message blade file. Okay, like this, and now okay, so I'm going to see that thing. I'm going to do in the same way like we have done in for responsive. So I'm going to open responsive as well. Okay, we are going to display that actions icon, actions column. We are going to display, and in which we are going to display this view model pop-up kind of thing. So, and also we are going to not going to show that complete response, and in place of response we are going to display that message kind of thing, because here we are going to display the message, because we have display here send message, or we can make it send responses. Okay, but this one is better, send message is better, because responses means that the response has come. Okay, so here we can display this message. So we are going to start working on this one. I'm going to display here message instead of response. Okay, and after this I'm going to display after that time I'm going to display one more column, same like there, actions I'm going to display, and I will create this column as well, actions. Okay, and here as well I'm going to display one column, and I'm going to display in the same way. I'm going to open that responsive blade file. Okay, so in responsive blade file we have already done that thing, and here as well we are going to show this one, this td. I'm going to copy from here. I'm going to paste that td here, and will remove the unwanted code. We are not going to update any kind of response, so I'm going to remove this unwanted code that we don't require. We will keep it view details, and here in place of response details I'm going to here will add message details like this, message details, and this one in place of response I'm going to add here the message details like MSG, and here I'm going to add the message details like this. Okay, and that is fine. And now, yeah, it is looking fine. Okay, so and we are not going to display this uh, two icons, so we can remove this delete, and this contact icon we can remove, and we will just display this div. Okay, now I'm going to refresh and we'll see, and see here the actions icon has come, and once we click the full message display here, but here we are going to not going to display that complete message we are getting every time when we click on that actions icon. Okay, so here we are going to display that half message, and we are going to use that subs str again. So I just will copy from here, and we'll paste it here in message, and we'll change, because no need to do everything from the scratch. Just message you can make it like this, and the change will be here, because we have, see, now it is done, because we have already done in responsive. So so now it is not taking that much time, and after that we will show some dots like we are displaying here. Okay, so we can show the dots, and along with that we can show like this. Okay, if we can able to open or not. Okay, and we can display like this, and here also we can display like message details, then message ID like this, and we are going to refresh and we'll see that it will open or not. Okay, see here, we can also open from here, we can also open from here. Okay, now some part of the message we are getting here, and complete message we are getting after we click on actions view details tab. Okay, then complete message will come. Okay, so now we able to do that kind of thing, and all the message that Amit sent to Steve. And now another feature we are going to see that the Amit now want to see that the message has been seen by Steve or not, and here he can't able to know that the message has been seen by Steve or not. So we are going to do one thing. We can show in actions, we can show here that the message has been seen or not seen. Okay, anywhere we can show here as well along with message details that the message has been seen or not. Okay, so we can simply do this thing, that the message has been seen or not, and this one we can get from the seen column. We can check in our database. Okay, that the message has been seen or not. Okay, so so I'm going to open my database here. Dating is my database. Okay, I am going to open this responses table, and in this we are going to see that the message has been seen or not. Okay, so so that we can add it. Okay, so I'm going to check it out. So if the message has been seen, there is seen column there, and if seen column is 1, then the message has been seen, otherwise message has not been seen. Okay, it is taking few minutes. Okay, just wait for few minutes. Okay, now this see here, that seen 1 is the that message has been seen, and 0 is message has not been seen. So we are going to add condition that if seen is 1, we are going to display seen, otherwise we are going to display unseen. Okay, so this thing we are going to do in modal pop-up, and I'm going to display here along with message details. Here I can show. Okay, or here after this we can show here as well. Okay, so I'm going to do like add little if. Okay, dollar message. Okay, seen equal to 1. Okay, then we are going to display here seen like this. Okay, and after this else. Okay, so here we will type unseen. Okay, same way we can add unseen. Okay, so you can add your own text, own wording, okay, as per your own choice. Okay, so now I'm going to check that the message has been seen or not. This message has been seen. You can see that this message has been seen. This message is not seen yet, so unseen is coming here. Okay, so like this we can get, but we can also show straight away highlight kind of thing like we are doing in responses, that the message has been seen or not. Okay, that thing also we can able to do, and we can just need to add means this type of that bold response test we can add, like this one, like style, font, weight, bold. We can add with the that the message has been seen. Such kind of thing we can add here as well. Uh, at the top we can add after here we can add, and here I will do in place of response message seen, then bold response like bold response. Here I am going to make it a bold message like this. Okay, and this one I'm going to display in the similar manner like we have do in responses. Okay, simply we can display this one along with every means with along with td tag. Okay, so we can do like this. Okay, simply we can do like this, and here I'm going to display bold message. Okay, and this one we can repeat with every td. Okay, and like this we can repeat, and now I'm going to check that whether it is working fine or not. Okay, I'm going to see that the see here only one message is unseen and other messages are seen. Okay, we are going to check in database that whether it is correct or not. See, um, there are the total many messages are there, but we need to check the message that the that has been meant for Steve from Amit Gupta. So we are going to check the means that Steve ID, sender ID or receiver ID. Okay, here Amit Gupta, we are going to check this user table along with it, and but we yeah, we need to know that ID. Okay, here the sender ID is Amit, Amit 1002, and receiver ID is 3 and 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 must be here. So here we can see that some of the columns are meant for it. I am going to uh, search here or going to search here as well. Okay, I'm going to add here sender ID 2 and 3. So I'm going to add here 2 and as well 3. Okay, so after adding these two columns, see here only that related columns will come where sender ID is 2 and receiver ID is 3. So these from this message you can see now only one message is unseen, and this message we are displaying has see I am fine 2. This message is unseen, and you can see that this message is unseen is coming here as well, and here is coming as highlighted because this message has not been seen as yet. Okay, so like this we can do. We have updated send message that is required to update because we can't display the complete message here, and also we want to show the user that the message has been seen or not. So these kind of things we need to update in send message. Okay, so now it has been done. We have updated that send message now. Okay, response is also we have completed, send message also we have completed. Now we are going to start with something new in next video, so stay tuned for that. Okay, I hope that everything is clear, and now we are going to do much more things in our dating website from next video. Okay, that's all for now. Have a nice time.